Students, in previous class we have discussed electrode potential in the chapter electrochemistry. Electrode potential, when it is measured at 25 degrees Celsius and concentration of each species involved in half reaction is unity, then the electrode potential is known as standard electrode potential. Electrode potential is of two types. This is electrode potential, this is standard electrode potential. Electrode potential is of two types. We have already discussed this. Once again recall this: reduction potential and oxidation potential. Suppose element is represented by M. So this is reduction potential and this is oxidation potential representation. Not so it is standard. It is reduction potential. Suppose metal M, charge plus N. So प्लस n से ज़ीरो हो रहा है, रिडक्शन प्रोसेस. So this is the representation of standard reduction potential. And m to m plus n, ज़ीरो से प्लस वन, ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर इंक्रीज हो रही है. So oxidation state increase means oxidation. This representation is oxidation potential. For any element, if reduction potential is x volt, then oxidation potential will be minus x volt. We have discussed it with the example of zinc. In zinc, reduction potential is minus 0.76. And so oxidation potential in zinc will be plus 0.76. What is the meaning of reduction in oxidation potential? We have already discussed it. Lower the reduction potential. If reduction potential of any metal is very low, it means that its reduction tendency is low. And if oxidation potential is high, means oxidation tendency is high. If oxidation potential will be low, then oxidation tendency is low. Oxidation tendency and reduction tendency means, in this example, M is converted into M plus N and M plus N can be converted into M by the gain and loss of electron. Plus N, if it gains n electron, that it is converted into M, and if M lost n electron, then it is converted into M plus N. This is reduction and this process is oxidation. Okay. If this tendency, reduction tendency, is high, means conversion of M plus N towards M is very easy, then reduction potential will be high. Very important line is this: if oxidation tendency is high, then oxidation potential will be high. It means that conversion of M into M plus N is easier. Means conversion of M into M plus N is easier, or oxidation of M is easier, or oxidation potential is high, means it is more stable and it is less stable. Now I will give one numerical to clear it. बच्चों, अगर आपको स्टैंडर्ड रिडक्शन या ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल नहीं बताया है एंड ओनली ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल या रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल नहीं बताया है एंड ओनली पोटेंशियल लिखा हुआ है, इट मीन्स दैट इट इज़ स्टैंडर्ड रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल. अकॉर्डिंग टू IUPAC, स्टैंडर्ड रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल इज टेकन एज स्टैंडर्ड इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल. Suppose E naught of any metal A is 2.0 volt and suppose E naught for any metal is minus 1.0 volt. What conclusion we can draw from this about the stability of metal and metal ions? Reduction, it is reduction potential. This value is reduction potential. Why? How we can check? Plus n to 0 reduction शो हो रहा है. This is also reduction potential or not? Yes, this is also reduction potential. Plus n to 0 शो हो रहा है. ठीक है. So reduction potential values are given. Reduction potential is high in the first case. Means reduction tendency is high. रिडक्शन टेंडेंसी किसकी है? इसकी तो होगी नहीं. ये रिड्यूस नहीं हो रहा है. रिड्यूस कौन हो रहा है? A+N. तो रिडक्शन टेंडेंसी इज हाई मीन्स इट कैन बी रिड्यूस इजिली इनटू दिस. मीन्स इट इज़ लेस स्टेबल एंड इट इज़ मोर स्टेबल स्पीशीज. इफ रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल इज लो, it means that reduction potential low, it has little tendency to convert into this, so it is more stable species and it is less stable. Its reduction potential is low, it is less stable, then क्या होगा? It can be converted into this. और यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? It is less stable, so it can be converted into this. B is conversion of B into B+1 is oxidation, means इसकी oxidation tendency high है and reduction tendency क्या है? low. तो इसका oxidation potential क्या होगा? oxidation potential high होगा और वो represent भी हो रहा है. रिडक्शन इस मेटल का रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल लो है और ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल क्या है? हाई है. मीन्स इसकी ऑक्सीडेशन टेंडेंसी हाई है तो ऑक्सीडेशन करेगी. कौन करता है ऑक्सीडेशन? इस पेयर में ये स्पीशीज़ का जो पेयर है, ये स्पीशीज़ रिडक्शन कर रही है एंड ये स्पीशीज़ ऑक्सीडेशन कर रही है. तो ऑक्सीडेशन टेंडेंसी आई है मतलब ये ऑक्सीडेशन करेगी, यानी इट इज़ लेस स्टेबल एंड दिस इज़ मोर स्टेबल. इसीलिए इसमें कन्वर्ट हो रहा है. In case of this example, just reverse. Reduction potential is positive. Now students, we will discuss after electrode potential, electrochemical series. Our next topic. It is the arrangement of standard reduction potentials, generally in decreasing order or it may be in increasing order. This arrangement is called electrochemical series. Large number of electrode reactions are taken in this series. In electrochemical series, reduction half reactions are taken, students. And I have written topmost member in decreasing order. Topmost member of the electrochemical series whose reduction potential is 2.87, highest among all the electrodes. And this is the lowermost member of the electrochemical series. If we kept in decreasing order, electrode potentials are kept in decreasing order, then it is the lowermost member whose electrode potential, standard electrode potential, is lowest and it is minus 3.05. And one more member is written here, which is in middle of the series, hydrogen by gaining 2 electron converted in H2 and its reduction potential is 0.0 volt. In electrochemical series, all the potentials are reduction potentials and reduction half reactions are written. These are half reactions ना, only gain of electron show किया गया है ना. So this is reduction potential. Now we will discuss application of electrochemical series. Electrochemical series के applications discuss करेंगे. Application first, calculation of E0 cell or EMF of the cell. What do you understand by E0 cell? It is, or EMF of the cell, it is the cell, E0 cell is cell potential. It is the potential difference between two electrodes. We have discussed in previous class कि two half electrodes make an electrochemical cell, है ना बच्चों. तो potential difference between two half electrodes, anodic half cell and cathodic half cell, the difference between these two half cells is known as cell potential. And when there is no current drawn in the cell, this cell potential is also known as EMF of the cell, electromotive force, EMF of the cell. Now we can calculate E0 cell with the help of electrochemical series. Formula of calculating E0 cell. E0 cell is standard cell potential. E0 cell, E0 cathode minus E0 anode. With the help of electrochemical series, we can use these reduction values of reduction potential and we can calculate our E0 cell. In this formula, cathode, E0 cathode इसका कैथोड का रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल एंड एनोड का भी रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल वैल्यू रखते हैं. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जांपल एक क्वेश्चन लेते हैं. A and B, two species are there, two electrodes are there and their E0 values are given and you have to calculate E0 cell. E0 reduction potential of these electrodes are given. Suppose this is 1 volt and this is minus 2 volt. ठीक है. And you have to calculate E0 cell with the help of these reduction potential. First we will decide that which one is cathode and which electrode will be anode. So this value of reduction potential is high and this value minus 2 volt, this is low value. High value of reduction potential means reduction occurs at this electrode and low value of reduction potential means reduction not occur in this electrode. So reduction not occur means oxidation process occurs at this electrode, and where reduction process occur, this is called cathode, and where oxidation process occur, this is called anode. So cathode is A and anode is B. ठीक है. Low value of reduction potential, we will make that electrode as anode, and high value of reduction potential, we will make that electrode as cathode. ठीक है. So now we can calculate E0 cell. E0 cathode, कैथोड किसे बनाया है, ए को. ठीक है ना. तो E0 कैथोड 1 and anode B. So E0 anode A and answer will be 3 volt. Clear बच्चों? So this is first application of electrochemical series to calculate E naught cell or cell potential of electrochemical cell. Now we will discuss second application. To compare the relative activity of metals. Which metal is more reactive and which is least reactive? We can find it from the electrochemical series. Okay? To compare the relative reactivity of metals, strong metal and weak metal can be distinguished from the electrochemical series. Suppose, now first, how we can determine it? What do you mean by reactivity of metal or metallic nature? Metallic nature or reactivity of metal means a metal can lose electron or tendency, we can say that tendency to lose electron. This is called metallic nature or reactivity of metal. A metal which has greater tendency to lose electron will be a stronger metal. Tendency to lose electron means tendency to undergo oxidation. Tendency to undergo oxidation बच्चों, यानी वो मेटल स्ट्रॉन्ग मेटल होगी जो ऑक्सीडेशन इजीली कर लेती है. एंड टेंडेंसी टू अंडरगो ऑक्सीडेशन कौन कर लेगा? हुज ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल इज हाई. भाई जिसका ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल हाई वो ऑक्सीडेशन इजीली करेगा. ऑक्सीडेशन एंड रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल आर द मेजरमेंट ऑफ देयर रिलेटिव टेंडेंसीज ऑफ ऑक्सीडेशन एंड रिडक्शन. So oxidation potential high means tendency of oxidation is high, and tendency of oxidation, tendency to lose electron is high, and this is called metallic nature. So a metal having high oxidation potential will be a strong metal, or we can say if oxidation potential high, then reduction potential will be low. So what is the conclusion? Low reduction potential, then strong metal. Reduction potential low, then metal will be strong. Clear? So if there is a question which is a strong metal, if both the A and B are metals, suppose, then which one will be strong metal? है ना? Then lower the value, a metal is strong which undergo oxidation easily, or we can say oxidation potential high. So whose oxidation potential is high? Whose reduction potential is low? So reduction potential low, so oxidation potential high. So strong metal is B in this question. ठीक है, रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल 1 है तो ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल इसका आप क्या लिख सकते हो? -1, और इसका +2. मैंने क्या बोला था आपको? ऑक्सीडेशन रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल जस्ट वैल्यू चेंज करके हम कर सकते हैं, है ना? तो हाई रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल इसका है और इसका लो रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल है, और वी कैन से हाई ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल है ना? सो हाई ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल और लो रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल, सो मेटल विल बी स्ट्रॉन्ग. सो बी इज स्ट्रॉन्गर देन ए इफ बोथ द टू आर मेटल्स. ठीक है. टू कंपेयर द रिलेटिव Now we will discuss which can displace other. Now we can see here that hydrogen and lithium, among hydrogen and lithium, which is more active metal? More active metal, strong metal, more active metal, which will be more active, whose reduction potential is low. So lithium reduction potential is -3 point. So lithium is more active metal than hydrogen. ठीक है. Now we can also compare, or we can also check the spontaneity of a reaction. Spontaneity of a reaction. A reaction will occur or not, reaction possible है या नहीं, we can check it from with the help of electrochemical series. For example, take a reaction in which a metal displaces metal B, like this. जैसे हम जिंक और कॉपर में नहीं करते हैं, जिंक डिस्प्लेसेस Cu+2, Zn+2 और Cu बन जाता है. ऐसे फॉर एग्जांपल A एंड B आर टू मेटल्स. A डिस्प्लेस कर रही है B को और खुद सॉल्यूशन में जा रही है, और B को सॉल्यूशन से क्या किया, रिप्लेस कर दिया. ठीक है. तो दिस रिएक्शन इज पॉसिबल और नॉट, वी कैन चेक इट विद द हेल्प ऑफ रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल्स. ठीक है. सपोज reduction potential values are given here. Reduction potential of A is 0.34 and reduction potential of B is suppose -2. ठीक है. Now see this reaction. Reduction potential क्या है, लो, और reduction potential हाई. सो reduction potential जिसका हाई है वो क्या करेगा, रिडक्शन, एंड reduction potential लो, तो वो क्या करेगा, रिडक्शन नहीं करेगा और क्या करेगा, ऑक्सीडेशन. तो चेक दैट इन दिस रिएक्शन B का ऑक्सीडेशन हुआ है क्या और A का रिडक्शन हुआ है क्या. अगर ऐसा है तो रिएक्शन पॉसिबल है, अगर ऐसा नहीं है देन रिएक्शन इज नॉट पॉसिबल. इन दिस रिएक्शन A अंडरगो व्हाट, 0 से +1, A अंडरगो व्हाट, ऑक्सीडेशन, एंड B +1 से 0, तो B का क्या हो रहा है, रिडक्शन. तो B का रिडक्शन होना चाहिए क्या, इफ़ A इज प्रेजेंट देन B का रिडक्शन नहीं, B का ऑक्सीडेशन होना चाहिए. सो और यहाँ पे क्या शो हो रहा है, रिडक्शन. सो दिस रिएक्शन इज नॉट पॉसिबल. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स. वी कैन चेक एनी रिएक्शन with the help of electrochemical series. That's why zinc can displace copper, but copper cannot displace zinc, because zinc can displace copper, but copper cannot displace zinc, because copper has higher reduction potential, so it is less active metal, and zinc low reduction potential, so it is more reactive metal. ठीक है. so a more active metal can displace less active. यहाँ पे A is less active. how can we conclude it that A is less active? A has high reduction potential, so it is less active. A metal having low reduction potential, that metal will be strong metal. Clear. so we can check spontaneity of a reaction. Lithium can displace hydrogen or not, है ना. Lithium is more active than hydrogen, so it can displace hydrogen. ठीक है. Copper cannot displace hydrogen because copper is less active. Copper कहाँ है, ऊपर है, 0.34 है कॉपर का, तो कॉपर इज लेस एक्टिव. पॉजिटिव रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल, हाई रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल दैन हाइड्रोजन, तो कॉपर कैन नॉट डिस्प्लेस हाइड्रोजन. ठीक है. In previous class, we have discussed applications of electrochemical series. Our next application of electrochemical series is to compare relative oxidizing powers and reducing powers. रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट की रिड्यूसिंग पावर और ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट की ऑक्सीडाइजिंग पावर हम कंपेयर कर सकते हैं, विच इज़ द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट एंड विच वन इज़ द वीकेस्ट. दिस electrode has highest reduction potential and this electrode has lowest reduction potential, and there are so many other electrode reactions in electrochemical series. I have written only topmost and lowest electrode and hydrogen. So students, in this electrode, first start with this. In this electrode, lithium species and Li species, these are pair. ठीक है, this is denoted as Li plus Li pair. ठीक है, among lithium electrode, always lithium electrode is represented as this pair. ठीक है, this species undergo gain of electron or it undergo reduction. ठीक है, so this species undergo reduction. This species is gaining electrons, so undergo reduction. This species also undergo reduction. So these are the species which undergo reduction by the gain of electrons. So reduction जो करते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? Oxidizing agents. Those species which undergo reduction and oxidize others are oxidizing agent. And see the reverse reaction. These species ये क्या कर रही हैं? अगर हम इस रिएक्शन में ये रिएक्टेंट और ये प्रोडक्ट ले लें, रिवर्स साइड से देखें, देन क्या कर रही है? ये इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज कर रहे हैं एंड देन दे कैन कन्वर्ट इनटू Li+. सो दीज स्पीशीज लॉस इलेक्ट्रॉन और अंडरगो ऑक्सीडेशन. सो ऑक्सीडेशन कर रहे हैं, दैट मीन्स दीज स्पीशीज आर रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट. सो इन Li plus Li पेयर, Li+ रिडक्शन कर रहा है, सो इट इज ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट एंड Li इज रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट. इन एवरी पेयर one species is oxidizing agent and another part of that pair is reducing agent. If in any pair reducing agent is strong, then corresponding oxidizing agent will be weaker. If oxidizing agent is very strong in any pair, then reducing agent will be weaker. ठीक है, so how can we determine that lithium is strong as a reducing agent or Li+ is strong as a oxidizing agent? है ना, we can check it with the help of reduction potentials in electrochemical series. In this reaction, reduction potential is very low. Reduction potential is very low. So reduction tendency, कौन रिडक्शन कर रहा है? ये रिडक्शन टेंडेंसी इज़ वेरी लो. रिडक्शन टेंडेंसी इज़ वेरी लो, सो इट इज़ वीक ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. वीक ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. इन दिस पेयर reduction tendency is very high as reduction potential is very high. reduction potential high, so reduction tendency is very high. reduction tendency किसकी है? F2 की. रिडक्शन टेंडेंसी इज़ वेरी हाई, मतलब ये रिडक्शन करेगा एंड इट इज़ द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. सो वी कैन चेक दैट ऑक्सीडाइजिंग पावर डिक्रीजेस इन द सीरीज. ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट विच अंडरगो रिडक्शन, वी कैन कंक्लूड इट एज एन ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. क्या करता है? रिडक्शन एंड रिडक्शन टेंडेंसी. इफ ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट इज स्ट्रॉन्ग, देन रिडक्शन टेंडेंसी टू रिड्यूस will be high. एंड रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल क्या होगा, हाई होगा। यानी ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट स्ट्रॉन्ग होते हैं जिनका रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल हाई होता है। तो F2 दीज आर द ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट्स, सो F2 इज़ द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट क्योंकि रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल क्या है, हाई है। Li+ इज़ द वीकेस्ट ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट क्योंकि रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल क्या है, लो है। रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल लो, वीक, रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल हाई, स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट। नाउ चेक द रिड्यूसिंग पावर of reducing power of reducing agent। reducing agent क्या करता है, a strong reducing agent क्या करेगा, ऑक्सीडेशन करेगा। रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट क्या करते हैं, ऑक्सीडेशन करते हैं। तो ऑक्सीडेशन टेंडेंसी हाई होती है रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट्स की, और ऑक्सीडेशन टेंडेंसी कब हाई होगी, जब ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल हाई होगा। और रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल के टर्म में हम लोग सब लिख रहे हैं, सो रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल विल बी लो। सो व्हाट इज द कंक्लूजन, reduction potential low, then a strong reducing agent. So in this case reduction potential is the lowest for lithium Li+ pair, so lithium is the strongest reducing agent because reduction potential low है, ठीक है। so we can compare reducing and oxidizing power of any oxidizing and reducing agent with the help of electrochemical series।